Good morning, children. Welcome to another class of mathematics. So, yesterday we had studied what is greater than, equal to, and less than. Okay. Now, all these words they are used to compare numbers. They are used for comparing numbers. Okay. Now, today, let us see how we use these terms. Okay, but first, we know about the hungry crocodile. है ना? This crocodile is very hungry. It always wants to eat something. So, what does it do before eating? It compares it. है ना? वो compare करता है. Just like we do. इफ़ देर आर टू प्लेट्स ऑफ लड्डूज और आपको लड्डू बहुत पसंद है तो यू विल चूज द प्लेट इन विच देर आर मोर लड्डूज है ना. सो दिस वे द क्रोकोडाइल ऑल्सो डज द सेम थिंग. ही ईट्स द नंबर्स दैट आर large. Okay, now see here we have two numbers. This is 45 and 38. So these are the two numbers. So the crocodile will eat the number that is large. So which one is bigger? 45. So the crocodile will eat the number 45. So it has opened its mouth. Now can you see the shape which is formed? Yes. So that shape is called greater than symbol. Okay. Now, so you have learned what is greater than. Remember the symbol. Now, again we have two numbers, 23 and 37. Now, which number will the crocodile eat? Yes, 37 is big, so the crocodile will eat, it will open its mouth towards 37. So the shape that is formed is this, and this shape, that is this symbol, is called less than symbol. Okay, it is the less than sign. Now, again we have two numbers, 45. Let us see the next number, 45. Now, both the number, as you can see, are same. So now the crocodile is confused कि मैं किसको खाऊं? So it is not going to come. So these both numbers are happy with the equal to sign. So this symbol is called as equal to. Both are equal. Okay. Now children, we have seen three terms. जब हम numbers को compare करते हैं, when we compare numbers, there are three terms. One is greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, so remember it. When we compare numbers, we use these terms. Now we are going to learn how we will use the terms in sentences. जब आप sentence form करते हो तो how you will use it. Now I have a question for you. See the question. 35 is dash 46. So there are two numbers, 35 and 46. So I have options greater than, less than, or equal to. Now, can you tell me what will be the correct answer? What are you going to fill? As you can see, 35 and 46. तो पहले कौन सा number आया है? The first number is 35. It is less, है ना? So the right option is less than. So I will write 35 is less than 46. Okay. Now the next question. Okay, so we have the question 35 is dash than 25. Okay, so there are two numbers 37 and 25. Again, we have three options: greater than, less than, or equal to. So what are you going to use? Think. Yes, you will use greater than. 37 पहले आया है ना, बाद में 25, right? So 37 is bigger. So I will write 37 is greater than 25. Okay. Now the last question. 29 is dash 29. Now here also we have two numbers, 29 and 29. Both are same. So you again have three options. So the answer will be, everyone knows, it is equal to. 29 is equal to 29. Now children, I have a very important question. Okay? Listen carefully. 9 is greater than 5. I have given you the sentence and you have to frame the answer with symbol. So how you will write it? First, we will find numbers. Okay? When you see the sentence, the first number is 9. First, I will write the number 9. Then I will see the second number. The second number is 5. So, I will leave some space. कुछ जगह छोड़ेंगे हम 9 के बाद, and then I will write the number 5. Now, what is written? 9 is greater than. So, which symbol you will draw? The greater than symbol. Okay. Now, one more example. 45 is less than 49. Okay. Now, 45 is the first number. So, I will write 45 first. Now, what is the second number? Can you see? Yes, it is 49. So, I will write 49. And what is written in between? कौन से symbol का नाम लिखा है? Less than. So, I will write 45 is less than 49. So, remember children, when you compare numbers, you use three words. What are they? Greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, that is all for today, children. Thank you and bye-bye. We will see you in the next class. Take care.